Civil International Intelligent Detailing Solution. Seamlessly integrates the full process workflow from 2D construction drawings, 3D modeling, precision quantity takeoff, international standard shop drawings. Zero loss. Reads every data point from flat structural drawings directly inside the CAD platform without loss, creating a high-precision 3D model that retains complete reinforcement information. Zero barrier. One-click output automatically generates shop drawings and quantity lists conforming to all major international standards. Zero waiting. Fully automated process improves efficiency by dozens of times compared to manual operations, truly achieving design-to-delivery immediacy. Function demonstration. Automatically recognizes drawings for the entire building. Generates a 3D model automatically. (2D/3D) component positioning. Automatically generates 3D rebar models. View reinforcement. View beam reinforcement. View column reinforcement. View slab reinforcement. View wall reinforcement. View quantity takeoff table. Generate beam detail drawings. Generate column detail drawings. Generate slab detail drawings. Import into Revit to generate the 3D model. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.